Often, scan data of surfaces, in the form of points and associated normals, or surface meshes that were originally constructed from such scan data, are imperfect in the sense that gaps and holes are present. As a result, the need arises to reconstruct new surface meshes before any value-added downstream operations, such as rendering or model modification, take place. For example, consider a common workflow from digital dentistry in which surface mesh is created from an intraoral scan of patients' teeth and gingiva. The scan is imperfect with missing points, hence the imported surface mesh has many irregular holes. Although the original mesh has many irregular holes, CGM Polyhedra is able to reconstruct the original mesh into a new continuous mesh without holes in one step. The new surface mesh not only preserves original features with detail, but also ensures robust downstream operations. Consider another intraoral scan. This time, however, the scan is very poor. As a result, the corresponding mesh of the patient's teeth and gingiva has large irregular gaps. Nonetheless, and again, in one step, CGM Polyhedra is able to reconstruct the original mesh into a new continuous mesh without gaps. The new surface mesh again preserves original features with detail, but also ensures robust downstream operations. In the last two examples with intraoral scan data, the same general workflow with three basic steps applies. First, a surface mesh is imported into an application, for example with Spatial's 3D interop. After importing the surface mesh, you can see it has many irregular holes and gaps. Second, CGM Polyhedra reconstructs a new surface mesh. Third, the new reconstructed mesh is checked by CGM Polyhedra. If any remaining anomalies and errors are present, for example incorrect surface normals, then CGM Polyhedra also heals the new reconstructed mesh. After reconstruction, the new robust surface mesh is ready for value-adding downstream operations. CGM Polyhedra's ability to reconstruct new surface meshes and remove holes and gaps in original meshes eliminates tedious data preparation work. As a result, designers, engineers, and technicians can quickly concentrate on value-adding downstream operations. Visit Spatial.com today for more information on how CGM Polyhedra can reconstruct surface meshes, not only for digital dentistry applications, but also in other fields that use scan data.